So you want to change the oil on your 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Well, here's what you need to know. So whether you're doing it on the ground or up in the air, you're going to encounter this belly pan. And this belly pan consists of what feels like a million T30 Torx bit screws. Here, 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 here. And then all along the edges basically. And then one there, and over here, and here, and here, and here, and here. When you get to the front corners, you have push pins, so you need a retainer puller. One there, and one there. And then here's what you see underneath. So here's the drain plug. It's going to be a 16 millimeter. And the filter on your 1.5 Bronco Sport is right there. Now this is the very first oil change for this one. It's only got 5,000 miles on it. And that's the original filter, so it's pretty tiny. It's a tiny guy. But we'll go ahead and take the filter off. Make sure the gasket's with it. Your new filter is a Motorcraft FL 910. Like I said, it's a little bit longer than the ones that come from the factory. This is appropriate though. So when you put your cover back on, you want to take the front part with the little like fins up at the front, and you want to kind of slide those fins underneath the front fascia of the front end. Like that. See how it's sliding under? And then there's this little thing here. If you push up on this, if you look underneath, there's this little lip there that is supposed to go above the lip. It's easier with two hands. Like that. There you go. And then just make sure all the other holes are lined up around all the sides and the front. And then you can fasten your screws back in. Then take your push pins and lock them in to the front corners. So when you go to put oil in it, it takes 5W20 of semi-synthetic blend, and it's a 5.3 quart engine. All right, so once you have your oil in your engine, it's time to start it up and see. Hopefully everything's okay. No oil message, definitely a good sign. So when it comes time to resetting your oil life monitor, even if the reminder is not there yet, you're going to use the buttons here on the right side of the steering wheel. So you're going to scroll down or up, either way, but you're going to come to information. You're going to hit OK. Or no, you're going to hit menu off to the right there. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says oil life. You're going to hit OK again. It shows 40%. You're going to hold OK. Oil life reset successful. And that's it. Hit the back button. Hit the back button again. And then you're back to like your home screens and whatnot. So if you need to know how to do the oil change on your 2021 Ford Bronco Sport, this was how you did it. Short and sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. Take care.